Welcome to a slightly unusual episode of Under the Microscope podcast. My name is Pranoti Kshirsagar and I'm your host. I'm also the founder of The Science Talk, where we empower and enable scientists to share their stories in digital spaces with confidence and ease. In today's solo episode, I'm going to give you 3 foundations of a successful outreach strategy for a research project. So most scientists have something powerful to say, but when it comes to how to say it or where to say it, especially beyond their academic circles, many scientists get stuck. The truth is that a successful outreach strategy isn't accidental. It's intentional, it's repeatable, and it's almost always rests on 3 foundational pillars. Define and align, craft the message, and choose the channels and format. And today I'm going to walk you through how we applied this structure for the QuanTour project, which was a year-long global science outreach campaign following the journey of a quantum light source across 12 labs in 12 months. So the first foundational pillar is define and align. This includes who is this for and why now. Before jumping into videos, press releases, or podcasts, ask, who do we want to reach? What do we want them to feel? And who else can help us amplify this? For QuanTour, this meant building an audience genuinely interested and curious about quantum science, not just the specialists working in the field of quantum science and technology. The second goal was putting the spotlight on the scientists and the labs contributing to the campaign. Third was partnering with science societies and universities globally to boost credibility and reach. After that comes crafting the message, which is essentially what's the story you're telling. By this point, you already know who you are speaking to and why. And now it is time to articulate the what. What do you want to tell them? What is take-home message for them? For QuanTour, our narrative was simple but powerful. 12 months, 12 labs, 1 source. We followed the journey of a quantum light source and the people behind it. We wanted audiences to see both the technology and the human stories driving quantum research forward. And now the third foundational pillar, to choose the channels and the formats. Once your story is clear, it's time to get it out there strategically. Different audiences hang out in different places, and the same message can take on many formats. In QuanTour, we used podcast, videos, visuals, press coverage, website, social media, physical media as well, like stickers, posters, conferences, newspapers. The same story reached policymakers, students, and the public in different ways without diluting the message. This is very, very important, without diluting the message. These are the 3 foundations of a successful outreach strategy for a research project. To summarize, first, define and align the audiences. Who is it for and why? Second foundational pillar is to craft the key message, which essentially is what's the story you're telling. And the third is to choose the right channels and formats. Let me tell you this. These pillars are the foundation, but how you execute them depends on your topic, timeline, goals, and audience. Whether it's a one-day event or a year-long celebration like QuanTour, the process remains grounded in the same strategic structure. So the bottom line here is whether you are building an outreach campaign from scratch or contributing to a larger dissemination work, coming back to these 3 foundations, audience, message, and format, can bring much needed clarity and direction. That's the approach I take in my work, helping scientists and innovation-driven teams turn complex ideas into content that resonates. Remember, it's not about being everywhere. It's about showing up with purpose and making your work accessible, relatable, and memorable. I hope this was useful. If it was, do share it with your friend or your colleague and use these foundational pillars and ways of thinking when you are working on your next science communication, dissemination, or outreach strategy. And if you're planning an outreach initiative or looking to integrate podcasting or strategic content into your next proposal or project, I would love to help. The outreach strategy I just shared, well, that's the same framework I bring to the projects I support, whether it's a podcast production, research dissemination, or a campaign designed for institutes or consortia. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next one.